to be recording the step-by-step instructions for Dreamweaver Chapter 4, the Gallery website. The Gallery website for Chapter 4 will be working with tables and forms. We're going to be inserting and formatting tables and forms. I'm going to follow the directions on page 202 to 217 for part 1 of this video. Alright, so on the right, you're going to navigate to your gallery website. If you do not have a gallery folder, call me over at this point. Also, if you do not have 6 different HTML web pages within the site, you need to call me over. Okay, for the first part of step-by-steps, you're going to open up the services.html page. I'm going to be inserting the table in this area right here. So after insert page content here, I'm going to hit enter, and that's where I want to insert a table. So I'm going to go to my insert table option. Then you're going to format the table. So this table is going to have 5 rows, 2 columns, a table width of 800 pixels, border thickness of 0, cell padding of 8, and I want a header on the left. By selecting header on the left, it'll make the left column bold when you type in those headings. My caption will read about our services. That's going to be the heading on the table. So I'm going to capitalize that. And it's good practice to type in a little summary. Then you're going to click OK, and the table will pop up. Now the main thing that's going to take a lot of time in this chapter is adding content to your table. So on the left, I'm going to start typing in the headings. You can hit tab to move from cell to cell. I'm going to also type in the information about the services. If you can't see what I'm typing, you can look in your book on page 210 for this. Okay, I accidentally hit enter, which made a 6th row create. If you don't want that, you're gonna hit undo. Also, I've currently typed in all of the information for the first table. To format this table, we're going to do a couple more changes. You're going to point to the top of the first column so that just the first column is selected. You'll see when you click on the top, just the first column selects. Then I'm going to go to Align, Format, Align, and Left to make the text left aligned. Next, I want to format the caption of my table by making it bold. I'm going to do that in my properties down below, clicking the B. Now I'm going to preview, I'm going to backspace and get rid of this content here. We want to take that out, that generic placeholder content. Oops, if your table pops over there like mine does, just hit undo. And you know what, I think I just might have to leave that content. I don't know why that's happening. All right, I'm going to save those changes. And I want to view this as a web page. So I'm going to go to Preview in Internet Explorer or Chrome. And you don't see any borders because we made the border thickness 0. You should have a bold heading, bold column headings that are left aligned, and that is it for your first table. I'm going to stop there and continue with the learning activity for Gallery website in the next video.